Let me demonstrate how to get the values from D2000 into your Microsoft Excel. I have already performed a simple registration of our D2000 plugin, the D2000 workbook, into Excel, so I can use it now. So let's start Excel, and let's create a blank workbook. Now, when you click on Functions icon, Insert Functions, you can go to the category D2000 Workbook, which means our workbook is registered. I'll show you D2000 getValue function, which can be used to read current value of D2000 objects. I'll specify it, for example, my favorite second as an object. When I move to the attribute, user dialog for login appears, so again I will specify my user. Now the workbook is connected to my application, and when I don't specify attribute or refresh, I got some value. When I click F2 and re-edit, you can see the value is changing. But when I go to the formula and click calculate now, the value doesn't change. If I want this, I have to specify the third parameter as some variable expression. Now is a good one. Yeah, so now I can recalculate it and see the current second. We can also access current values of structured variables. Let me copy this cell and modify second to sv.modbus first row object A. Okay, and so we got the current value of IOTech, and let me again copy it and set the attribute to time, that is the timestamp. Of course, I have to format this to make sense, so let's go to the formatting. Let's select days, hours, and also you can add minute, add seconds and milliseconds, because that's our accuracy in D2000. Yeah, so you see the value and timestamp are being set. I can copy these two items and, for example, average A, okay, and the timestamp of average A, and it should be rounded to minutes because that's my 1 minute average. Okay, so this is how we can easily get our data from D2000 into Microsoft Excel. When you look at the online documentation of D2000 workbook, you can find out that the username and password and server name can be saved in a sheet named D2000 parameters. Then the logon process is automatic and no login dialog will be displayed when you open the workbook. Well, this is the end of my presentation. However, I sincerely hope it is not an end of your work with Microsoft D2000 system. Quite the opposite, it should be the beginning of your exploration of the D2000 system. Please bear in mind that what I showed you today is just a small fragment of the D2000 capabilities. So don't hesitate to use our online documentation, and if you can't find the answer here, you can contact us via email or ask on our community forum. Well, this is the end of my presentation. However, I sincerely hope it is not an end of your work with Microsoft D2000 system. Quite the opposite, it should be the beginning of your exploration of the D2000 system. Please bear in mind that what I showed you today is just a small fragment of the D2000 capabilities. So Don't hesitate to use our online documentation, and if you can't find the answer here, you can contact us via email or ask on our community forum.